So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to switch your Facebook account to Facebook page. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now you should have to tap on three line which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now tap on arrow icon which is available on the top screen of your right side. So tap on it. Then tap on other accounts. Then tap on the profile where your page is located. So I'm tapping on this. Now you will see your another profile on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Now you will see the option of switch, or even you can even tap on your Facebook page or tap on arrow icon like the way I tapped before, and you will see your Facebook page like this. And see, you have successfully switched your Facebook page from your Facebook profile. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.